Casablanca Panama 5 installed with 4 blades. And yeah, I do have a video with 5. So this is right after I did 5 blades on this fan. Earlier, if you're asking where's the 5th blade for it, I have it. Right here. But it will be in a separate video. So yeah. This fan, I told you, has very, very bad bearings. It only came with the canopy hatch. Like, this is the only part of the canopy it has. Snow white finish. Let me tell you, this fan I got for free. It was a great deal, but I converted it to single speed because it had an IntelliTouch board, but it's not really good for Samsung K5 motors like this. So it only has 1 speed, so here's high. And let me tell you, this thing's got some bad bearings. I've been running it for a while, but it's trying to get quiet, but can't really get quieter right now. But this thing is like 44-inch blade span. It's been insanely fast. It's moving a whole ton of air, like so. Has a reverse switch on top of the motor, as I said before. As you can see, it has snow white blades. Yeah, one of the blade, as you can see, this is a replacement blade arm screw, but the other has a replacement blade arm screws as well. So only came like with a few of its screws, but 7 out of the 10 screws is original. The other 3 of the 10 are not. So yeah, this fan has some very bad bearings, as I said before. It runs good, but it just has bad bearings. So here's the diagrams.